In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually put order fulfillment on hold in Shopify. Putting an order on hold is a helpful way to pause your shipping workflow while you sort out things like stock checks, suspected fraud, customer changes, or address corrections, without canceling or refunding the order. I'll walk you through getting to the right place in your Shopify admin and share practical tips so you can handle holds confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Start by going to Shopify.com and signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, you'll be on the dashboard where all your store operations live. Make sure your account has the permissions needed to manage orders. If you're part of a team, confirm that you have access to order management so you can view and control fulfillment settings. Next, click on Orders in the sidebar. This takes you to your order list, the central hub for everything related to customer purchases, fulfillment status, and payments. Here you'll see filters for open, unfulfilled, and partially fulfilled orders, as well as search and sorting tools. This page is where you review order details and decide whether a hold is appropriate. It's also where you'll find the options related to managing fulfillment, including placing it on hold when needed. A quick note on what a fulfillment hold actually does. Placing a hold pauses the fulfillment process for that order. The order remains active and paid status stays intact. It simply won't move forward to packing or shipping until you remove the hold. This helps prevent accidental shipments while you're verifying details. If your store uses automatic fulfillment or routes orders to a warehouse or app, a hold ensures those systems don't proceed before you're ready. For clean internal communication, add a clear reason in the order timeline or as a private note so your team knows why the order is paused. Using a tag like hold can help you filter and monitor these orders quickly. It's also a good habit to set a daily reminder to review holds so nothing lingers longer than necessary. Keep the customer experience in mind. If the hold will delay shipping beyond your normal time frame, send a quick message from the order's communication panel to explain the situation and provide a revised estimate. Transparency reduces support tickets and builds trust. Finally, remember that a hold does not change payment capture settings, inventory counts, or discounts already applied. If you rely on just-in-time stock or pre-orders, double-check availability before lifting the pause. From the orders page, you have everything you need to manage fulfillment smoothly, including placing it on hold when the situation calls for it.